Hello student, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine and healthy. So let us start our first chapter of class 4th, that is review. In this chapter we will revise each and everything which we have learned in our previous class. So student, let us start our first chapter review. So in this exercise 1A, in which first question is to write the consecutive numbers that comes after. So in this you have to write the consecutive number and complete the series. The first one is 997. So after 997, what comes? After 997, 998 will come, and after that 999 will come, and after that 1000 will come. Okay, likewise we will complete this series. Or another way to find out is you can add 1 to the number, that is 997 plus 1, then you will get the next consecutive number, that is 998. Okay, in the same way you have to complete the B part and C part also. Now the next one is, now the next question is write in the expanded form. So here the short form is given. Here you can see 3428, that is 3428. The short form is given and you have to write it in expanded form. So let us see 3428. Okay, so how to write it in expanded form? In expanded form we know that to write it we write the place values, like we check the place values like 3. Okay, so 3 is there, and after 3 how many digits are there? 3 digits are there, so we will write 3 zeros after 3, then plus sign will come. After that next digit is 4, so in 4, after 4 how many digits are there? 2 digits are there, so we will write 2 zeros. After that next one is 2, and after 2 how many digits are there? Only 1, so we will write here 1 digit, 1 0. Then next one is 8, and after 8 there is no digit, so we will write 8 as simple. So this is called the expanded form and this is called the short form. Okay, in the same way you have to complete B, C and D also. Now the next one is to find out greater than, less than and equal to type. So in this also in this also we will follow the method to check the place values. Okay, so first one is 3470, 3470, and we have to compare it with 1256. Okay, so 3470, we have to check whether it is greater or less than 1256. So for this we will check the place values of the first digit. First of all we will check how many places are there. So in this we can say it is ones, tens, a hundred and thousand. Four places, four place digits. Here also four digits, four digit number is this. So both are four digit number. Now we will see the place, the thousand place value digit. We will compare the thousand place digit. So here you can see 3 is greater than 1. So here it implies that 3470 is greater than 1256. Okay, so in the same way we have to compare the other question, others, and we can find out which one is greater and which one is smaller. Now let us move towards the next question. In this, writing in ascending order. In this you have to write it in ascending order. So in this first of all we will see, in this also we will see the place values and the number of digits the number is made up of, and then we will write it in ascending order. In ascending writing in ascending order is writing from smaller to greater. So let us search for the smallest one by comparing the place values and digits. So in this the smallest one is this one, that is 3 to 3268 is the smallest one, because 3 is the smallest one in all these. Now we will remove this one and we will check in these 4. So here we will find out that this digit is smallest in all these numbers, so we will write 4 5 6 7. Now in next we will compare these three numbers, and we get to know that the next turn is of 5 6 7 4. And now we will move towards the next one, and that is, now we will compare these two numbers, in which we get to know that 7040 will come here, and after that the greatest one, which is 8147, will come here. Okay, this is the sequence in which uh, we require to write the answer, that is in the ascending order. Okay, now you have to solve the part B and C in the same manner. Now let us move towards the next question. This one is fill in the blanks. So in this, in first one it is asked that in 452 the place value of 4 is this. 4 is what, and that of 2 is what, and that of 5 is what. So 4, the place value of 4 is 4 की place value क्या होगी? The place value of 4, let us check where it is. If you will see, 452 is given. Okay, if we will see that 4 is at 100 position, then 5 is at 10's position, and 2 is at 1's position. Okay, so the value of 4, so from this we get to know that the value of 4 is 100 position, so we will write it here 100. Then after that, that of 2, so for 2 it is at 1's position, so we will write here at 1. And that of 5, so 5 is at 10's position, so we will write here 5. Now in the same way we will do for B and C part. Now let us move towards D. Here write the number shown by the numerals. Numerals are given and we have to write the numbers. So as we already know that here 5, v represents 5. V represents 5, and and I represent 1. I is representation for 1. So we all are aware about one rule, that if a number is come at the right of v, then we add it and it will be 5 plus 1, that is 6. And if if it comes at left side, then we subtract it, and we will get 4. Okay, so here what we will write, here it is asked about vi, that is 6th, so this one is 6, and this is iv, this is 4th. Now here this one, so we all know that x is the symbol, because you already learned all these things in your previous class. X is the symbol for 10. So after 10, after x, 2 I are there. So what will come here? 10 plus 2. We will add because it is at right side. So we will add and we will get the answer as 12. So here 12 will come. Now in the same way we will okay, now next one is write in Roman numerals we have to write. So we all must be aware of these simple numbers, because you have learned it in your previous class, and it is the represent we will write here for 10 we used to write x, then for 9 we used to write I x, then for 8 we used to write 5 and 3 1, so it is 8. Now the number name of 5204, that is 5204, we have to write, now we have to write the number name for this. So for writing number name we must be aware about the place values. So 524 5204, it is like this. So here 5 is at thousands position, then 2 is at hundred position, then 0 is at tens position, and 4 is at ones position. So we will write, when we have to write the number name, we write it as 5000, because 5 is at thousands place, then 2 is at hundreds place, so we will write 200, then next is uh, 200, and 0 is there, and after that 4, so we will write 4. Okay, so 5204 is the number name for the given number. Now in the same way, 9439, we can write it also in the same manner. Now next one is 6823 in figures. Now next we have to write 6800 and this one in figures, so it is also very easy to write it. We can write it as 6800 then 23. Okay, now next one is also we have to write it in figures, that is 8050. So 8 is at thousands place, then after that 50 is there, so at hundreds place there is no digit, that then we will write 0, and after that 50, so 8050 will be the answer. So in this way we have finished our 5 questions that are given in exercise 1A. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay safe.